Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow gravy only way. Start by melting 4 tablespoons butter in a skillet, whisk in 4 tablespoons flour to make a golden roux, then slowly add 2 cups stock while stirring. Simmer until thickened and season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and a pinch of turmeric for color. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve warm over biscuits or mashed potatoes. Warm the stock before adding it to the roux to prevent lumps and ensure smooth texture. Use chicken or vegetable stock for flavor and add a splash of heavy cream or milk for silkiness. Cook the gravy on low heat and stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes until it coats the spoon. If too thin, simmer gently. If too thick, thin with a little more stock or milk carefully. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while cooking. It keeps drinks cold and is easy to grab and saves spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small change that makes cooking more pleasant and focused. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid adding cold stock to a hot roux, or you will get lumps and grainy texture. Don't overcook the roux to a dark color unless you want deeper flavor, because it may taste burnt. Season gradually and taste, often so you do not oversalt. Adjust with acid like a splash of vinegar if needed. Store leftovers in the fridge and reheat gently, whisking to restore smoothness before serving for family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.